There is a common misconception among English language learners that present simple tense is only used to talk about routines or habits. While it is true that present simple is often used for these purposes, there are many other instances where this tense is utilized to make statements about current facts. To begin with, present simple is commonly employed to state general truths or facts that are always true. For instance, the sun rises in the east is a factual statement about the natural phenomenon that occurs every day. Similarly, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius is another example of a present simple statement that reflects a scientific truth. Present simple tense is also used to report current events or give updates on ongoing situations. For example, the stock market opens at 9 a.m. every weekday is a statement about a regular occurrence that happens in the present. Likewise, the company releases its quarterly earnings report tomorrow is a statement about a future event that is set to occur in the present or near future. Furthermore, present simple can be used to make statements about schedules or timetables. For instance, the train departs at 6 p.m. is a statement about a fixed time in the present when the train leaves. Similarly, the school bell rings at 3:30 p.m. every day is a statement about a daily occurrence that happens at a specific time. Additionally, present simple is used to express opinions or beliefs that are held at the present moment. For example, I think chocolate ice cream is the best flavor is a statement about a personal preference that is true for the speaker at the present time. Similarly, she believes that exercise is important for overall health is a statement about a belief that is currently held by someone.